Hello, my name is Faizan Sharief and in this video I will be showing you how to upload a video on YouTube. Here is a full tutorial of everything you need to know. Step 1. First of all, you need to go onto the YouTube website. Once you've gone onto it, you should see this bar at the top. On the top right hand side, you should see sign in and you have to click that and sign in with your Google account. Step 2. This is the upload video sign in the image above, the one with the plus in the middle. After you've signed into your account, you should click this to create a video. Step 3. Once you've clicked the upload video sign, you will be taken to a page like this. Once over here, you have to click select files. Step 4. After you have clicked select files, you will be taken to the files page. Over here, you have to choose the file that you want to broadcast on YouTube. It will be wherever you've saved it. Step 5. Now you've selected your file you want to broadcast on YouTube, you will have to fill in the details. Make sure you fill in all the necessary details at the bottom. When you scroll down, you will see a hyperlink which says more info. Once you click this, more details will pop up and you will have to fill in those as well. After you've filled in these details, you can click next and you can move on to the video elements. Again, you don't have to fill it all in if you don't want to. After you've finished with it, click next and move on to the visibility. This will confirm if you want to present this in front of everybody or not. Therefore, if you want everyone to see it, make sure you tick public. Step 6. Now is the publishing bit. Make sure you don't click publish until it's 100% uploaded and after that is 100% processed as well. Step 7. Finally, to finish, click publish and your video would have been uploaded onto YouTube. Some of the additional things that you can do is you can put the video onto a specific playlist or you can add some tags to the video, so if the people search up something, your video will come up as well. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked it, and one last thing, please subscribe and hit the like button.